welcome to Viandi Ebony TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That depends from where you are watching me from. So guys, how are you guys doing? Today, I didn't prepare for this topic. It just came to my mind and I said I have to give it out. I have to give it out because a lot of people have made a lot of mistake because of this issue. A lot of people have gone astray because of these words. Okay, guys, this message is just don't please people to displease yourself. Don't please people to displease yourself. Okay? Or what will people say? What will people say? I've destroyed a lot of things. Pleasing people and displeasing yourself have caused a lot of things. I've caused people a lot of pain. I've even made a lot of people have died because of this mistake. You don't need to please anybody. And you don't have any explanation. You don't hold anybody also explanation. If you know what you are doing is not okay for you, you are free to say no. You are free to say, I don't want. Okay? Don't displease yourself just because you want to please somebody out there. And the person you are about to please is not even valuing what you are doing for him or her. You don't even value it. People have this problem of, I cannot say no. You are trying to make that friend happy. You are trying to make that man happy. You are trying to make that woman happy. What? And at the end, you don't even value it. And then the day you will say you don't want anymore, the day you will say you don't want to do it anymore, they will say you are a bad person. Is that really nice? It's not nice. And the more you do, the more they don't even value it. They don't value it. Why do you have to continue doing it? Anything that will make you happy, go for it. Don't please anyone. You don't need to please anyone. Don't do it. Because no matter what you will do, no matter the sacrifice you will make, they will never value you. They will never be satisfied. Even if you cut your neck and give it to them. You will never. And don't you say, what will they say? Do things that will make you happy. Don't care what people may say. Because people words doesn't matter. People's opinion doesn't matter in your life. What God says, that is what matters. Okay? What God says, that is what matters. What other people are saying is not interesting in your life. Even if someone say, this person made this way, it's not that person's problem. These words, these two words have made a lot of people to kill themselves. It has destroyed many homes. It has destroyed many lives, many souls. Just because of, I want to please someone, and then you end up displeasing yourself. Or I don't even know what they will say, or what will people say? What will people say? What will people say? Does it count in your life? You own your life. You are the CEO of your life. You are the CEO of your life. It doesn't matter any other person's opinion. You don't care. The only opinion I think you might need in your life is only God's opinion. Only God owns. Other people's opinion doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The more you try to please that person you are just pleasing right now, the more kick you will get in the ass. The more kick you will get in the ass. It's not everybody you have to please just to displease yourself. There are good people out there which they deserve it. You can displease yourself just to please them because you know they will also do the same for you. When they cannot do the same for you, you don't need them. You don't need to do it. You don't need to care what would that person say. What would they say? It's not your business. It's none of your business. You own your life. This is your life we are talking about. When you are going to be passing through stress, you see those people that you think, what will they say? They will not be there to join you to cry, to join you to suffer without pain. They will not join you to go through that stress. Why do you need to think about that person? What will they say? What will they say? What will they say? You are the CEO of your life. You are the CEO of your life. Live it the way it pleases you. Don't care how people may think about it. Always care how will God think about it. Will it please God? That is what you're supposed to be worried about. Not other people, not humans. No. Displeasing yourself just to please someone is like you are living somebody else's life. It's like you are living somebody else's life. Because the person will tell you, do like this, you will do. The person will tell you, move like this, you will move. The person will say, make like this, you will make. You are living the person's life. You are just the second, you are just the copy, the photocopy of that person. Because he can use you anytime. He can put you are just like a robot that you just have to hold the remote and then just press and then you are good to go. Do you need it? Do you really want to continue like this? And then you go inside the house and start crying. After pleasing the person, you will come to the house and start crying. And say, I didn't want to do it. Oh my God, how did I end up being here? Are you kidding me right now? Don't please anybody to displease yourself. If it is okay for you to do that thing for that person, do it. Do it. Don't do it because you just want to please that person. The person will not value it. That person will not value it or might not value it. Not everybody that will value it. Yes, everybody is not bad. Not all is bad. No. Everybody is not same. But before you will please somebody, to displease yourself, make sure the person will also do the same for you. When the person cannot do the same for you, don't go there. Don't go there. They say respect is earned. You don't deserve it. You earn respect. Your attitude will make people to respect you. When you are somebody that always say, I'm afraid to say no, I'm afraid to say no. My dear, one day it might lead you to depression. You will be depressed. Because you will come to the house, all you just think is, oh, what have I done? This thing, how am I going to get out from it? Do you really need this? And then you end up being in the house and then depressed. And sometimes it can cause problem in your home. It can lead to the separation between you and your husband. Or between you and your boyfriend. Because it can be your partner don't like what you are passing through. How that friend is using you. How that friend is mistreating you. Your partner might not like it. And then just because you want to please that person, you will rather want to destroy your home. A lot of people have made these mistakes. No, she's my friend. Oh, she's my brother. Oh, she's my sister. Oh, this person have done a lot for me. Yes, I know. Even if the person have done really a lot for you, don't go to the extent of living another person's life. Don't. Do what you can. If it is what you cannot anymore, just say no. Just say the person, I cannot. With this one you want from me now, I cannot afford it, or I cannot go for it, or I cannot help you. If it is something you can help, do it. If it is something you are capable of doing, help that person. Why not? You can help the person. But when you see it's going to displease you, don't go for it. Don't. For crying out loud. You are the CEO of your life. Use it. Make use of your life. The only person you think of before doing it is just God. Every other person, I don't know. I don't know. Because these words have killed a lot of people. An incident just happened just because I don't know what people may say. And she just lose her life. She just lose her life just because of that. What will people say? You are there dying, killing yourself. Just because you don't want people to say anything. People even talk about the death. Someone that just died, people will still gossip about that person. People will still talk bad about that person. Talk less of you that is still breathing. Are you for real? Are you for real? Please. Please. Don't go there. Don't. Don't go there. Don't care about what people may say. Don't please anyone to displease yourself. If it's not going, if it's not working, tell that person, I'm sorry, I cannot help you. If that person, if that thing the person require from you will make you end up depressed, will take your life, will make you lose your beautiful home, will make you lose your children, will make you lose that your loved ones, say no. He or she will not kill you. Everybody have rights to make an opinion, to have say. Everybody have that right. Why not? Why not thinking, oh, if I did not do it, oh, I don't want her to be angry, oh, I don't want it to be angry. Is it my problem? Is it your problem if the person will be angry? It's none of your problem. It's none of your business. If that will make you happy, say no. If you cannot do it, if you cannot do that, tell the person, I'm sorry, I cannot do it though. It's beyond my things. I cannot. And the person will understand. If the person is going to be angry because you said no, stay away from that person. If the person is going to be angry just because you said no, run for your life, stay away from that person. That means that person needs your life. He don't need happiness for you. He don't want you to be happy. That is why he not take it as an offense. Be wise. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Please, if you know you have anyone you have to share this video to, please don't forget to share this video. And if it's your first time of coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Press the notification bell, so anytime I put a new video, you will be the first to watch it. Thank you everyone for watching, for tuning in. God bless you, and I love you all. Bye everyone. Bye.